Right, we put the tart tatin back in. I'll put it back into the pan, turn it back the other way up. We put it in. So just to show you, just so we can have a look. So can you see if we pull away from the edges, it's dried up a bit. Don't know if you can see that. Oop, the caramel's thickened up nicely. I'm going to turn that out and have a look at see how that is. I think that should be much better. So exactly the same thing again. Plate over the top, gloves on. I don't know how well it went back into the pan, but we'll find out, won't we? Turn it over. That's a bit better. Oh, lost one of me. Peaches. I'd take that. Could even go till it's just started to brown up on the edge. If you want it a bit more done, you can always put it under the grill. But that is not bad at all. So, thank you.
It's just started raining.
And
And now?
yeah.